Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over where is the SD card slot on your Nintendo Switch 2. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2 and you're wondering where the SD card slot is. How do you actually go ahead and find it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So if you're like me, I was looking for the SD card slot on the top and I only found the game card slot here. And then I started looking at the bottom, and likewise, I didn't see an SD card slot. So these two here are not the SD card slots. What you need to do is that you need to flip it over and actually move the kickstand up. And then your SD card slot is actually going to be right over here. So just make sure that when you insert the SD card that the front portion is facing towards the back. Let's grab the SD card and again, make it face towards up. And then you want to push it in until you hear a click, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain where the SD card slot is on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.